Hey Lorenzo, good evening.
Good evening, Edison. How is your health now?
Yeah, it's better now.
Okay, good. Get well soon.
Thanks, Lorenzo. Lorenzo, did you know anything about LPG?
Yes, I know.
Please tell me about LPG.
Okay, Edison. Listen. LPG means liquefied petroleum gas. Liquefied form of petroleum gas released during the extraction of crude oil and natural gas during the refining of crude oil. First, you need to know that the LPG cylinder contains liquid, not gas.
Oh. Okay, Lorenzo.
There are two major components of LPG as propane and butane. Do you know anything about propane and butane?
They both hydrocarbons. And they both have colorless and odorless properties. Butane have odor like gasoline. That's it, Lorenzo, I didn't know anything about them.
Good, Edison. The ratio of LPG is 40% propane and 60% butane in India.
Wait. I have a question. Is it the same ratio in all over countries?
No, isn't same, Edison. Listen, the New Zealand use 40% butane and 60% propane. But the Americans and Australians use 100% propane.
Because the availability of propane is higher in those countries. Am I correct?
Yeah. Correct.
Lorenzo, at starting you told that the LPG filled with liquid. What's the reason?
See. One gas cylinder can be used up to 3 months. But our house is not enough to store as gas. So that's why the gas is converted into liquid and stored in cylinder.
Oh. Okay, Lorenzo. How the gas is converted into liquid?
It's done by the method of liquefaction. In this process they compress the gas. While compressing the gas, the pressure will be increased, so the molecules is closer together and there is a reduction in temperature. It results that the gas is converted into liquid.
Oh. Okay. How the temperature will be decreased while the pressure is increased?
It's very simple. The pressure is directly proportional to the temperature. It's called Gay-Lussac law.
Oh, super, Lorenzo.
Did you know why they store LPG in steel containers?
Sorry, I didn't know the answer.
It's okay, Edison. See. The LPG burns readily in air and has an energy content similar to petrol and twice the heat energy of natural gas. So that's why they store the LPG in steel containers.
Wow, it's really interesting. Lorenzo, how the liquid is stored into the cylinder and how it's work?
LPG cylinders are filled with 80% liquid and 20% vapor, and the 1 liter of liquid LPG propane expands to equal 270 liter of gaseous LPG. The LPG is liquid in cylinder with pressure-sensitive area at the top, so the LPG gas kept at the top of the container and the liquid LPG kept at the bottom of the container.
How it works?
Every time one of your gas appliances turned on, the liquefied LPG begins boils and turns back into gas vapor. When you release some of pressure in the gas cylinder by turning on, the gas will be applied. Almost all of uses for LPG involves in the use of gas vapor, not liquefied gas.
Lorenzo, it's really easy to understand. Lorenzo, when we open domestic LPG there is a strong odor comes out of the cylinder. Do you know why it's happened?
Nice question, Edison. I have an answer. Listen. The reason of strong odor is ethyl mercaptan is added to the LPG. Because both propane and butane are odorless. Ethyl mercaptan is an organosulfur compound and it gives a garlic-like odors. It is a useful odorant to help individuals detect the presence of other gases or chemicals. So that's why ethyl mercaptan is added to alert users of a leak.
Oh, it's really interesting to learn about LPG.
Do you know, Edison, which company produces LPG in India?
It's INDHUJA LPG.
Yeah. See, Edison, INDHUJA Gas is a reputable domestic LPG gas provider in India. They have over 7,000 distributors spread across the country. There are 3 public sector brands in India. Number 1. INDHUJA, Indian Oil Corporation. Number 2. HP Gas, HPCL, and number 3. Bhartgas, BPCL.
Okay, Lorenzo.
Butane is the trade name of commercial butane and butane propane mixture marketed by Indian Oil Corporation. Commercial butane contains about 15% propane and 85% butane. Butane propane mixture contains 50% propane and 50% butane.
Okay, Lorenzo. Tell me last one thing. What is the uses of LPG?
LPG is used as a refrigerant and also used as water heater in Europe. And also used as an engine fuel and for backup generators.
Really, thank you, Lorenzo. I learned lots of things about LPG. Really, thanks a lot.
It's okay, Addison. Okay, bye.
Bye.